Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change name on IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change name on IMDb. Maybe because when you created your account, you accidentally did a spelling mistake and now you want to correct it. Or maybe you have seen someone else's name and it really inspired you, so you also want to change your real name into a funky or fun name. Or it could be any other reason for you to change your name on IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the IMDb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. We have a lot of options like videos and series, movies on our home page. Other than that, at the bottom, we have these four options. So from these options, you have to select this right option, which is similar to profile icon. You have to click on it and then you will land into this page. Once you get into this page, you have to click on this settings icon, this one, as you can see. Just simply click here, and once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will find all these options. All these options are related to some other stuff. So from all these options, we have to select this first option, which is account. Once you get into account, at the top you will read the title of account and you will find all these options. Now what you have to do is that you have to select this third option, which says login and security, this one. Just simply click on it and then you will get here. Now what you have to do is that you have to select this first option, which is sign in with IMDb. Here now you have to enter your email address and have to enter your IMDb password, and after that you have to click on this option, which is sign in. Once you enter your email address and your password, then you will land onto this page. First you will read the title of login and security and then you will see these options. So here we have this first option, this is name, and under it the profile name is written. Now if you want to edit it, you can do that by just tapping on this option, edit. Now here you get an option which says edit your name. So what you have to do is that you have to remove your existing name, and then after that you have to add the name of your choice that you want to add. After that, just simply click on save changes. And here you can see the name just got changed from TA to Adam. Likewise, you can also change your name on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your name on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.